Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll be sharing several DIYs and also showing you how I set up my tea station. Alright you guys, I just got in. I was out and went to a couple stores, so I picked this up from Target's Dollar Spot, and it's not going to stay this color. I needed a stand like this, but this is not the color that I needed, so I went to Walmart too. I'm gonna be spray painting the frame of this and then painting this part white because I want it golden white. I got some more mugs for my tea station, so I'm gonna put them on here like this, and 2 of these. So that huge heart from Home Goods, and even though Valentine's Day is coming up, this is something that I can keep out year round. Like I said, I won't be doing much of anything for Valentine's Day as far as decorating. So this will be the most that I put out, and this was $20. Home Goods. So you can put like treats and stuff in there. And this was $14.99. I went to Target, and from Target I picked up these bookends out of the Dollar Spot. So these were $5. I got these for my office. I needed another kitchen, so I got that from the Dollar Spot. That was $5. I finally found some of Tabitha Brown's stuff, so I want to try this potato salad, the vegan one. Hopefully it tastes good. Popcorn. These jars for my bathroom. Picked up 2. Let's wash my hands. I want to try this popcorn. Let me see. It smells good. That's good. I like. All right, Tab. This is really good, you guys. And to create a vegan potato salad, which regular potato salad, I definitely don't eat everybody's. And this is awesome. For one, I have a lot of gut health issues, and trying to eat dairy these days is a struggle. So thank you, girl, for creating this. But this is really good. Next time you go to Target, make sure you check to see if they have the vegan potato salad, because it is 10 out of 10. So I could not get the screws off of here. I tried the smallest screwdriver and it is not coming off. It was pretty much stripping the screw. So I'm going to attempt to put that spray paint on like a paper plate, use a paintbrush, and try to just paint the frame and like paint this part of it, and see if that will work out. So let's see. All right, I got it on the plate, so let's start painting.
Left, right, oh, Bonnie and Clyde, you can have whatever.
Alright, I finished painting it. I also applied a layer of Mod Podge on top to protect the surface. When I put stuff on here, it doesn't scratch it up, so it should be good to go. For this DIY, I'm just going to be adding some black paint to the bottom half of this, putting some gold leaf on top, and protecting it with some Mod Podge.
Are you the same? Can we get comfortable? I don't really like going out. It makes me uncomfortable. Comfortable, yeah. We could be chilling on the sofa, or cooking in the kitchen like left, right, oh, oh. Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? Are you the same? When you're touching my body, go. When you're touching my body, go. I want it.
Alright, you guys, I have this marble tray that I purchased from Ross last year. I want to set this up over by the tea station, just sit some items on top of this, but I do want it to have some height. So I do have these drawer knobs that I'm going to be gluing to the bottom of this. I have 4 of them just to give it a little height because I don't want it sitting flat like this on the counter. I'm just going to glue the knobs here, 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 and there.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live.
Make sure you guys are also following me on Instagram and TikTok if you guys have those social media platforms. I do post a lot over there. I'm starting to get back active on those platforms as well. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and put my handles on the screen for you guys.
Get personal, we just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a and take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
All right, you guys, I am very pleased on how this turned out. I know I said I was not going to be decorating for Valentine's Day, which this is the bare minimum. And I've never been a huge fan of pink, but I can deal with this pink right here. And I'm just usually drawn to pink around Valentine's Day. And with me being the only woman in the house, I figured I would do something special for myself. I told you guys I wanted to set up this tea station. I am currently waiting on my kettle to come in. So instead of getting the Keurig, I decided to go with a electric kettle, which one of you guys recommended. So to my subscriber, if you're watching, thank you so much for the recommendation. That will actually be here on Monday, so I'm excited to receive that. And I did go with the Drew Barrymore kettle, and I'll pop that up on the screen for you guys. I do have a few other items in her collection, the toaster and the slow cooker, and then some other items I want to get as well. But yes, I am very satisfied on how this turned out. I found this sign right here at Family Dollar. It was $5. And then if you guys want to know where I got all of these other items from, I'll link that video down in the description box below, the one where I did a haul, and then I just, of course, added some other items. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
On the inside, give me the yours next.